3 to 4 sheets. Okay. Today, first I'll do with the textbook because I have not started with the textbook. Only I've explained. Okay, we'll start with the textbook. Articles. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So as now you are totally prepared and you have got knowledge about it, let me see how fast you are going to answer. Once an old hermit, why and yes, dear students.
Old. O is the novel.
Yes. O is a vowel, that is O. Old hermit saw a kite. Why a kite?
Consonant.
Kite, constant.
We are addressing for the first time. One is consonant and we are addressing for the first time. A kite, a little mouse. Again, consonant and addressing for the first time. We are addressing the little mouse for the first time. He felt sorry for the mouse. See, when you are addressing second time the mouse, they have given article the because it is a definite article now. He took an apple because it is a vowel sound. A apple is a vowel sound, that's why and threw it at the kite. Why the kite?
Second
We have
time.
already addressed the kite first time. It's a second time. So
We are addressing the same noun for the second time. It is a definite article. The kite dropped the mouse in fear and flew away. Then the hermit. See, first time, even if they give the old hermit also, you have to write the only. You cannot write an old hermit because you are addressing the person second time. They are not given old. Even if they give old, you have to write the old. Sorry. Then the hermit picked up the mouse and by his holy power changed it into a young maiden. Why a now? It is a singular. We are addressing the young maiden first time. Okay. Articles are not used. That is omission of the articles. When you refer to noun in general, I like milk, I don't like fish, I told you all these things. Before names of languages, before abstract noun, that is Hindi is our mother tongue, we will have freedom or death. Before uncountable noun, I told you models and materials. You don't write before them.
These questions are there in textbook.
Sorry?
These questions are there in textbook.
I think I have old version. I'll go for the new one. Oh, this is a totally different. Okay. Before countable or singular nouns referring to people, things that have already been mentioned. Before uncountable nouns, that those have an adjective in front of them or a phrase following them to mean any and everyone. I have done all these things. So. Then article the is used to refer to somebody, something that has already been mentioned, to refer to something, somebody that is one, only one, normal, and obviously only one, that is unique. Okay, I'll start with the exercise. He is dash son in the family.
The youngest son.
The youngest son.
Right?
Superlative.
Yes. Superlative degree. That's why you have to write article the. Youngest, Y-E-S-T. Anu is looking for
a job.
A job.
A job.
Can be any, that's why. Could you close dash door?
The door.
The door.
Why? Because
The door.
we are specifying this door only should be closed. Anil is dash optician. Who's an optician?
Anil is an optician.
An
An
optician.
optician.
Takes care of your eyes.
Eyes.
Who gives you glasses? Yes, he's called an optician. He is an optician because it is a vowel. This is because we are specifying the door. Or because it is consonant. And it's singular. Both. Fifth one. Dr. Shankar is dash.
a dentist.
A dentist.
A dentist.
Again, singular. And again, it is consonant sound. My friend is dash MLA.
An MLA.
Why? Why? How does it sound?
Abbreviation.
How does it sound?
An abbreviation.
It sounds A. E sounds oval. MLA A. E sounds. That's why you have to write and because of this sound, consonant or vowel sound. Very, very important. This sounds. Next one. Raju is in dash.
Class.
Right?
Dark class.
In the class. In the class.
Specification.
The class.
Yes, we are speaking about a specification. One is and. Sixth one is A. Seventh one is and. Eighth one is the. We are specifying. He is in the class. We are speaking about the specification or definite. Definite person. Have you ever visited
The Andaman Islands.
Andaman and Nicobar? Why
The Andaman Islands.
Why?
Unique. It is unique.
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 Why was unique, no?
It's an island.
Island.
Yes, island.
Please bring dash kilo of apple.
Island.
A kilogram.
Why?
A
Because
kilogram of apples.
kilograms then becomes a number.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can you please turn the camera?
Yeah, a kilogram.
Ma'am,
Next
can
one.
you turn the camera
Sorry?
towards? Can you please turn the camera towards right?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Choose the correct option. Do you enjoy listening to
Music.
Music.
music specification now?
Ma'am, it may be many types of music. No, ma'am, it's music.
You like to listen
Music.
to the music. Only specifying the music. Do you like to listen to the drum beats? Do you like to listen to the flute? Musical instruments. The music is specification. My brother speaks.
French.
My brother speaks.
French.
Yes, you have to write French. Yes, Fahad is giving the correct answers. Yes, many of you are giving. I spent my childhood in.
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Yes, right there before the.
Bangalore.
We are skiing in.
The Alps.
Yes. The sun rises in.
The East.
Yes. Correct. Yes, Vikas, correct. Yes, Apurva, correct. Vinay, correct. Yes, Chinmay, correct. Murli, correct. All of you are correct. Okay, I want you to do this. I'll give 2 minutes there for the first one. Yes, Preetham B, you are also correct. Fill in the blanks with a, and, or the, wherever necessary. If no article is necessary, put an X. We see that. So I'll give 1 or 2 minutes for you to finish that, then we shall discuss. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we begin? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Kusma. Yes, Chinmay. Yes, Apurva. But you don't answer. I want you also to answer. That will be better. Yes, Arpita. Dash old pilgrim was making his way to dash Himalaya.
An old pilgrim.
An old pilgrim, the Himalaya.
One is an old. Yes, Arpita, correct. First one, and why? Because it is a vowel sound. That's why and, right in caps, the first one starts with K. An old pilgrim was making his way to. Second one,
The Himalayan mountains.
yes.
To the Himalayan mountain.
Oh, many of them have given correct answers. Yes, the Himalayas. Third one, mountains in the cold of winter. When it began to rain, he went to dash.
An inn.
Yes, he went to an inn. What is an inn? A place to
Ma'am, it's
stay.
kind of a
Yes, it's a
rest.
hotel.
Restaurant.
Yes, like a hotel actually. An inn is a place to stay. And in dash, innkeeper said to him,
The innkeeper.
The innkeeper.
the innkeeper said to him, how will you ever get there in this kind of weather? My good man, dash old man.
The old man.
The
Yes,
old man.
because we have already addressed him, we know about him. The old man answered cheerfully, my heart got there first, so it's easy for dash rest of me to follow.
For the rest of me to follow.
For the rest
For
of
the.
Very good. So the first one is and the. Very good. So you have understood, no doubts about articles. Okay, this I have done from the gentleman of the jungle. It will be easy for you. Shall I begin? Yes, Varun. Yes, because yes, Kusuma. Oh, very fast. Yes, Kusuma, very good. Yes, there is some more Amruta. Yes, yes. Yes, Aradhya. Yes, very good. Apurva. Okay, done. Then again, we have got Amruta. We have got Tanushri. Yes, dear. Shall we start? Minu? Yes. Once upon dash time.
A time.
Once upon a time.
A time. Yes. Dash elephant.
An elephant.
An elephant.
An elephant made friends with
A man.
A man.
One day, dash heavy thunder.
A heavy. A heavy.
A heavy.
All of you are writing there, but I'm not able to see because I'm writing there. All of you are giving me correct answers. I give a thumbs up to all of you there. Many of you, thank you so much. Yes, heavy thunderstorm broke out. Dash elephant.
The elephant.
The elephant.
Reporting for the second time, the elephant went to his friend who had dash between
A little hut.
A
A
little.
little hut.
at dash edge.
The
At
edge
the
of.
edge of
The edge.
Yes, at the last edge of dash forest.
the forest.
The forest.
The forest. Edge of the forest and ask for
A help.
X.
X.
Ask for the help. Sorry. X.
Ask for help is correct.
For help.
Ask for help also is correct. Ask for, they have not given anything in the textbook. I think you can write or help also is correct. Ask for help also is correct. Or help is also correct. In some context it is correct. Colloquially it is correct. So I'll take or help. Okay, we take or help. Ask for a help. Next one. Dash farmer owned dash piece of land.
A farmer.
piece.
A farmer, yes, a farmer owned
A piece of.
A piece of land.
land, yes, in
The village.
very good, because specification where it is. He grew paddy on it. He got some dash of bags of paddy.
No, nothing, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No article.
No articles.
No article. Bags of paddy. He took 10 bags of paddy to dash market.
The market.
The
The
market.
market. Yes. in his bullock cart on dash way.
On the way.
On the way.
Yes. On the way, 2 bags fell on
The road.
the
A
road.
road.
The road. Dash farmer tried to put.
The farmer.
The farmer.
The farmer.
The
tried-
farmer.
The farmer tried to put dash bags.
The bags.
The bag.
Bags.
The bags.
The car.
The cart.
The car. He could not lift
The
The
bag.
bag.
the bag.
The bags.
Yes. Dash
An
elderly
elderly.
An elderly
The
person.
elderly.
gentleman came the way. He helped the farmer to put
The bags.
the bag
The bags.
On the cart.
On the cart.
yes. Dash farmer.
The farmer thanked the
The farmer
gentleman.
thanked the gentleman for his help.
The gentleman. Okay, now match the following very fast. Raghu is an
Honest man.
yes.
Honest.
Right this side
Honest
one.
man.
For D, right one. Sharada is in.
A silk sari.
Very good.
A silk sari.
Yes, yes, correct. The pop star is playing the
Violin.
Violin now.
Violin now.
Boppanna plays.
Tennis.
Tennis.
Fish sells at 4 rupees
10
A
rupees a kilo.
A kilo.
per kilo.
A kilo.
Yes, correct. Observe how the definite article is pronounced. I told you yesterday only. That is the ball, the elephant is pronounced differently before the noun. Begin with vowel and consonant sounds. Now, this worksheet, go directly to the worksheet. I'll come back to you. You should preserve this worksheet, very important. If possible, get a photocopy of it and stick to your book. Where all I made you write yesterday or the other day. Okay, only these worksheets, please get it glued, very important. Okay, you do, I come back to you. This is not from the examination point of view because articles and prepositions will be together. Only for working. Okay. Examination point of view, articles and prepositions will be given to you. Okay. So next we'll start with preposition. Together they'll give you in the bracket. They'll give you articles also. They'll give you preposition also. Which is the correct one? You have to select and put in the blank. Only for work. Worksheet. Okay. Shall I begin? Very fast.
Yes,
Shall I
ma'am.
begin? Okay, right. All of you are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Easy. I've given the easiest concept. Okay, done. All of you are giving me a yes, yes, Shruti. Yes, Kusuma. Yes, Apurva. All of you are Kusuma. Yes, Arpita. Yes. Okay, let me see. A man was living in dash hut.
Was living in a hut.
In a hut.
You cannot write down, you just mark it there, okay? It will be easy for you. Write down in a book or this. Answers you write down, later when you get a printout, you can write on it. A man was living in a hut in the outskirts of the city. Dash elephant made friendship with him.
The
An
elephant.
elephant.
An elephant.
An elephant. Once it was raining heavily, the elephant requested the man to allow him to put its trunk inside the hut. Dash man. Yes.
The man.
The man.
The man.
The man said that his hut was very small and there was not enough space for both the elephant and himself. He asked Dash elephant.
Yes,
The
the
elephant.
The
The
elephant.
elephant.
The elephant to put its trunk inside. I know all of you are giving me correct answers there. Those who are writing also, writing and sending me, they are also very correct. The lawyer ordered to form.
A
Commission.
commission of inquiry.
A commission.
Inquiry.
Very good. Yes, all of you correct there. Murli, Arpita, Kusuma, all of you are correct. Then Junaid is correct. Yes, Meenu is correct. Shruti, you are correct. Yes. The lion ordered to form a commission of inquiry in dash commission of inquiry.
The commission.
In the commission of
Vinay, correct. You are correct. In the commission of inquiry, there was no one from man's side. He protested and insisted on having no one from his side, but he was told that
the humans are
humans.
not well
The
educated.
human.
are not well educated to understand the history of the jungle. Yes, all of you correct there. I'll go for the fourth one. The elephant, that is said, they
said that.
yeah, add S to it. The elephant said that dash man,
The man.
The man.
invited him to save his hut from being blown away by the hurricane.
The hurricane.
So he thought that as
As a friend.
A friend.
A friend.
A friend, it was its sacred duty to help the man. Adu it's typing mistake. Okay, next one. Every hut built by the man was occupied by dash jungle lords.
By
The
the
jungle
jungle lords.
The jungle lord.
He decided to get rid of these pests. He built
A bigger and better.
A bigger and better.
dash distance away.
A little distance.
A little distance away.
A little distance away. With the rhinoceros, when the rhinoceros saw this, he rushed it into only to see that dash elephant.
The elephant.
The elephant.
Very sound asleep.
elephant.
The
The
hut.
hut.
The hut.
The hut.
The hut.
Very good. Those who are typing also, those who are telling me verbally, all correct. Once Mara went to the forest to bring some bamboo shoots. He was cutting
The
The
bamboo.
bamboo.
the bamboo shoots with his hand through dash bamboo cane.
A bamboo cane.
The bamboo cane.
The bamboo cane.
The bamboo cane. Accidentally, he cut his hand. Dash sharp sickle.
The sharp
Yes.
sickle.
Sharp.
Sharp.
Dash
Cut
artery.
the artery. The artery.
and artery.
Artery.
And blood sprouted out profusely, continuously. Once Mara had laid dash trap.
A trap.
Yes, very
A
good.
trap.
Yes, in the
A
form
trap.
of rabbits. Yes, because Arpita, Murli, all are correct. Kusuma, Chinmay, Meenu.
He was worried that someone else may get tea before him in the morning. Sorry, ma'am.
Sometimes you put me on laugh, that's good. I smile. Once Mara had laid a trap in the forest for rabbits, he was worried that someone else may get there before him in
The morning.
The morning.
the morning. Yes, in the morning. And take up his catch. So he went into
The forest.
The forest.
before daybreak, but there was no rabbit in
The trap.
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 all of you are giving me good answers. Okay. The author plucked some leaves from the control and took them to his friend Chandru, who was dash.
A pathologist.
A pathologist.
The author told him what people said about the plant. They decided to conduct
An experiment.
An experiment to find out.
The truth.
The truth.
Yes, all of you correct. You are writing also. You are also correct. 100% correct. Krishna, who was working in the author's farm, had developed pipe. The only allocated treatment for pipe was surgery. Krishna was scared of surgery. He knew
The Malayali sadhu.
The
Knew
Malayali.
a Malayali sadhu.
singular.
A Malayali sadhu. A Malayali sadhu.
Sadhu was singular. Eighth one, first one is A. A Malayali sadhu. Dash sadhu.
The sadhu had.
The sadhu
had treated
The
Krishna.
sadhu had treated Krishna when he had developed boils all over his body. The Indian native doctors believe that if they share their medicinal knowledge with others, dash medicine. Yes.
The medicine would lose its potency.
Yes, the medicine would lose its potency. This belief has prevented them from sharing their knowledge with others. Dash Malayali sadhu
The Malayali sadhu.
The Malayali.
shared his knowledge with Krishna because he was too old to go into
The forest.
and collect the plant. Yes. Otherwise, he would have given.
The medicine as a secret potion.
Very good. The medicine as a secret potion. The narrator of the story, Oru Manushya, narrates
The experience.
Experiment.
Experience.
an experience. Chinmay was correct.
An experiment.
Yes, Vikas is correct. Vinay is correct. Then Minu, Murli, Kusuma, Jayant, all are correct. An experience which he had once he was in
The strange land.
a
A
strange land.
strange land. A strange.
A means singular here. A strange land far away from his hometown. It was quite dash big city.
Quite a big city.
Quite a big
A
city.
big city.
Dash inhabitants.
The inhabitants.
The
Yes,
inhabitants.
the place where cruel people, money was valued by them. The narrator was staying in dash room. Yes, Sudarshan.
A dingy room. A dingy room.
Yes, Chinmay, correct. Minu, correct. Minu, the Barala. Minu, 13th one, A first. Minu, correct your answer, dear. Yes, A. The narrator was staying in a dingy room or a dirty street. He carried on dash profession.
Carried on a profession.
A profession. There, he taught how to write addresses in English to dash migrant laborers.
To the migrant
To
laborers.
the migrant laborers.
Learning to write dash address.
Write an address in English.
Yes, an address. Yes, yes, Fahad, you are also correct. Yes, an address in English was considered.
A great
A
education.
great education there.
Yes, a great education there. People earned.
A little money.
A little money.
Yes, at dash post office
At the post office.
The post office.
by writing address in English for others. All of you correct there. Right. Very good. All of you correct. Apurva, Arpita, Shruti,
And
Vinay.
at the post offices.
The post offices.
Yes.
When dash narrator said,
When the narrator.
yes,
The-
because right correct he put when the narrator said that he had lost his wallet,
The owner gave a loud guffaw.
yes, the owner gave a loud buffet. Buffet is laughing loudly. Okay, girls giggle, boys buffet. That is called giggling. He caught the narrator by his lapels. The foldings of the collar of the suit is called as a lapels. In suit and in folding looks that is called as lapels. Of his coat and said, "Put the money down or I will gouge your eyes out." Okay, next one. Babar Ali wakes up every morning at 7 and does some household chores. Then he takes
An auto rickshaw.
an auto rickshaw and further he walks 5 kilometers to the school. He is dash model student
He is a model student.
A model
and
student.
and dash first member.
The first member.
The first member of the family to get proper education. Okay, next one. Baba started his school at
Ma'am, Babar Ali with his 3 siblings. That one.
17th one.
17.
Babar Ali, 17th I skipped. Babar Ali lives with his 3 siblings and his parents in dash house.
A thatched house.
A thatched house.
He comes from dash privileged family.
comes from a privileged family.
A privileged family.
Very correct. Those who are writing, a privileged family and is one among
The privileged ones.
The
Yes.
privileged
The
one.
privileged one.
Very good. Very good. Minu is correct. Navya is correct. Arpita, Vinay, Apurva, Chinmay, Murli. Yes, yes, dear. All of you are correct because, but only these students are going to be answering. Fahad, you are also correct. The rest of them, I don't know where you people are. Usuma, yes. Babar started his school at
The age of 9.
The age of 9.
at and or the. Yes, tell me. Babar started his school at specific 9 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 9 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದ ಬರಿಬೇಕು at the age of 9. His school Anand Shiksha Niketan grew out of a game. They used to play school with Babar as dash teacher. Yes. Her teacher, yes.
Teacher.
Yes, Fahad, Chinmay, Arpita, Minu, all are correct. They used to play school with Babar as a teacher. His friends had never seen dash inside of a school. The inside of a school.
The inside of a school.
Last one is the. Tulurani Hazra is dash illiterate fishmonger.
An illiterate.
Yes, an illiterate fishmonger by morning and a dash crusading.
And a crusading educationalist.
The crusading educationist. The crusading educationist by afternoon, when she goes on fish selling grounds, she locates the school dropouts and convinces them to pursue their study. Okay, Babala teaches the students under
The
The
open sky.
under the open sky. Some students sit in the mud, the others on the rickety benches under a rough homemade shelter. The family chickens scratch now nearby, but no one considers it an annoyance.
Annoyance.
Yes. The village headman was in dash hurry.
Hurry.
First one, yes, Chinmay, correct. Yes, Shahad, correct. Yes, Fahad, sorry. Apurva, Kusuma, Arpita, Mugli, Vinay, all of you are correct. The village headman was in a hurry. Yes, Aradhya, you're also correct. To complete. Yes, Chinmay, correct. The road works.
The road.
The road work.
Because the king was expected to pass on that road on dash visit.
On a visit.
Yes. First Chinmay and then you all telling all are correct. Shruti, you are also correct. On a visit to dash nearby place.
The nearby
The.
place.
Yes. To the nearby place. A nearby place, alva. A nearby antiva, the nearby place antiva.
The
Ma'am, a nearby place.
A nearby place, alva.
Yes, ma'am, a nearby place.
A nearby place, not the nearby place. We never said that the nearby place. It's a nearby place. Because we're speaking about a place, one singular. The goddess appeared in Mara's dream. Mara fell at her feet. She said the river Veda, which you see at dash foot of the hill.
At the foot of the hill.
the foot of the hill.
Foot of the hill from which you drink water is my plaything. I wanted to tell your king that he must build
A tank to his
A
this
tank.
river.
a singular.
To his river.
Yes. All of you are correct there. Yes, all those who are answering me, very good. Lakshmana was lying in dash deadly faint.
In a deadly
A
faint.
deadly
Yes,
faint.
a deadly faint. At Lanka, Hanuman was asked to bring Sanjeevani. The Sanjeevani was on
The top of the mountain.
The
The
top of
top
the
of-
mountain.
Hanuman climbed up.
The
The
mountain.
mountain.
Second time the mountain. Uprooted
The Sanjeevani.
The
The
Sanjeevani.
Sanjeevani.
and flew back to Lanka. Dash stream.
A stream.
Stream.
A stream is correct. A stream rose from where Sanjeevani was and came down. Yes.
The mountain.
The mountain was being built up. Yes, correct. Mara noticed dash fishing.
A man fishing.
A
A man fishing.
And he told
The man.
The man.
It was the man that it was a secret place and no one is allowed to fish there. He warned him that if he saw him again with
the rod and hook.
Specification clearly there, he would push him into
the water.
Water.
Yes. Mara went running, battling with roaring wind and through slush and raging torrents. He summoned
the king.
He summoned him by intensing, ringing the bell at the palace gate. The king sent
a message.
A messenger.
Specification no, go for
the messenger. No, ma'am, because there will be many messengers, no, ma'am.
A messenger, correct. Sorry, a messenger is correct. Sent a messenger, correct. There are so many people here, send only one, that is a messenger. All of you are correct. The king sent a messenger to see who was disturbing him at the dead of the night. Frederick Douglass was born in Takaru, near Hillsborough. He did not know his birthday. It was
a wish of the
wish.
It was the wish.
It was the wish. It is specified, the wish is specified. It was the wish of the white master that the slave
be ignorant of his birthday.
So any doubts regarding the articles? Worksheet, anyone has doubt can raise the doubt here.
No doubt.
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt, ma'am.
Sure, no doubt, but they'll add preposition to the examination. That will be the next thing I'm doing. So I'll start with the next thing. Schoolboy. What thought comes to you, schoolboy? Now you are a college boy. What is the school life to you? Okay, very fast, waiting for your answers. Who doesn't miss their school? Excuse me, memorable. Yes, Tanisha. Yes, missing ma'am. What is school life? Yes, Chinmay. Everyone misses golden life. Golden life. You remember how many things? Yes, enjoyment. Enjoyable. Golden life. You know, you have done so many naughty things, mischievous things in your school life. Don't you feel that you should go back to the school?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When you were in the school, you would feel too pide yaavad bittaro college lo serva bittiri. Full of enthusiasm, Tanisha. Yes. See, our school life is the best life. Our education life itself is the best life. When you come to first PUC, second PUC, I think this batch is very unlucky because they are not able to interact with the teachers, and lots of fun is missing in the students. They can sit and talk, they can gossip, they can bunk their classes, they can do something naughtiness in the classroom. Teacher is busy, and you can do something sitting at home, right? Sitting in front of TV. I know whatever you are keeping access to yourself, maybe a laptop or mobile or whatever it is. I know it's a very difficult task. But enjoying this life, this life will never come back to you. Whatever you pay for it, you will never get back this life. Now, what this life expects from you? What does this age expect from you? Yes, we are missing, ma'am. I understand, Kusuma, even I am missing. Yes. But what do you expect from this age?
Good education. Good education.
Even education. Now, why you get educated? To become independent.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You educate to get independent. That is one fact. And those who don't want to work, knowledge. Yes, very good. Yes, for her. Very, very nice. Education gives lots of knowledge. Some who cannot work or to stand on their own feet. That's what I said, independent. Some who cannot work, they gain this knowledge to educate their children further. At least to live in the society. We should educate ourselves to live in the society.
Yes.
To keep ourselves upgraded. Very, very important. Common, yes, someone has said consciousness about the things education gives a life. Super. I'm very happy with all your answers. Does knowledge have an end?
No, ma'am.
Even the best teacher on the world will not have the whole knowledge. There is something but is still mystery to many, many good teachers. So knowledge is not limited. It is a limitless. That's why great people say, keep your mind ajar. Ajar means open. A-J-A-R. Keeping it open. Keep your mind ajar so that the knowledge flows. But what we do, we think that we know everything and we block our mind.
Yes, ma'am.
Even a beggar can teach you something. Even a dog can teach you something. Even a nature can teach you something. Even the person you think is unimportant can teach you many things in your life. Only when you keep your mind in a positive way. But if you bring ego, when you bring negativity, you are blocking your mind. When someone hurts you, someone insults you, why you take it in a bad way? That is their point of view. If you take that as a stone, you can build a wall around you. That's called positivity. Yes, and the sweetest apple gets the maximum stones. Yes or no? Now you go to get mangoes. You will take the rotten mangoes, you will take and stone at it.
No, ma'am.
You are going to aim at the sweetest and the best mango. That's why best people suffer too much. Why? Because they are too good. But that doesn't really bring down their quality of goodness. That doesn't bring down really the concept of whatever they are being blessed. In second QC, you have got to listen Boris. One of the best lessons I can see. He gives it very clearly. The Homer says, I hope you have heard about Homer. He is a great Greek writer. He has written Odyssey, right? He says, very beautifully he says, human beings are like a dara madhyadalli irutte nodi, school anta nodi. Dara edral suttirtaralla.
Yes, ma'am.
Ee pooti dara tegidre madhyadalli school irutte.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
That is made of again of cardboard material in the paper material, thick material. Human being is like a school anta. Our character ella ಒಂದು ದಾರ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. He is like a spool. He is being given that character like a thread. So what we are, we have the capacity to change ourselves. You cannot change a spool. You cannot change. But your character, your qualities, you can change because they are like threads. ಈಗ ನೀವೇನೋ ಸೂಜಿ ದಾರ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಾರ ಕೆಟ್ಟೋಗಿದೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಹೊಲಿತೀರಾ?
No, ma'am. We remove it.
We just cut it. That part of the thread we cut
Yes,
it
ma'am.
and start with the new thread, fresh thread.
Yes, ma'am.
So God has given this character to us. It is being inherited by God. God has given this character, but He has given us the capacity to cut wherever the thread is not good. Now, if a student who doesn't like to go to school, who feels that formal education is not good, it is a mistake of the student or it is a mistake of the teacher or the education system?
Education system.
Education system.
Sometimes it might be the system, sometimes it might be
That's why I'm telling you, take
The
positive.
student.
That's why I told you positive. That's why I told you positive. That's why I use the word positive. It is not the education system. It is not at all bad. It is the approach of every human being, how you take it.
Yes.
It is always, I'll give you one concept. Okay, let me see this. This is a very big glass. Okay, I'll do a little smaller one. I'm very glad. It is half filled, half empty, half filled. Okay, this glass of water. The person who is an optimist, what he'll see? You'll see half glass empty. Amma, I've only got half. Or you say that half filled.
Half filled.
Half filled.
Shahad, why sometimes, man? Shahad, I did not get you. Fahad, Shah, Fahad.
Ma'am, sometimes education system also will be wrong.
Education system is not wrong. The
Ma'am,
approach
it depends on the perspective of each.
that's true. But there is no one system for the whole nation. You know, one education, one nation. One election, one nation. That should be the concept. Any student sitting in any place in the country will get the same education. Because NEET exams, you know, those who now NEET has started from 2016. It is to be separated. Till then it would come under CET only. Based on your three, like if you take physics, chemistry and biology highest, you can be selected for MBBS. If you take physics, chemistry and maths, you can go for engineering. But what the government did, they changed the system again. As you're telling, education system is not good. They made NEET separate. But what about those students who are not able to get the same education what the central government expects? NEET is the whole India, right at a time. NEET and JEE. So education should be one. Textbooks should be one. No, the material what they give should be one. So that the student from anywhere in the country gets the same knowledge. The government keeps on emphasizing one education, one election. Very, very important. Everything should be equal. You know, we have got this state-wise casteism, we have got state-wise language. It is unity in diversity. But not only we are Karnataka, we should not speak Tamil, we should not speak Marathi, we should not speak Goa language. Wrong concept. We are Indians first. You'll go first for your house, or you'll go for first individuality. My mommy is good, my daddy is bad, my sister is okay, but I am good. Instead, my family is good.
Yes, ma'am.
So one nation, one education, one nation, one election. I always believe, and I always don't like this concept that these politicians don't have any education. They don't have any competitive exams. They should also write on competitive exams. 1 degree is compulsory. They should serve at least 1 year or 2 years in the military. Then they'll understand what is the value of our country. In that fight, if they die, they become a martyr. We can just put a big garland and say, Jai, 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 Jai. We don't do that. All criminals, rapists, all kind of thieves will come to this politician group. So one nation, one election, one compulsory education for them. At least a degree. 22 years, 21, 22 years should be their age. They should undergo one education. They should write one competitive exam. If they pass transparency, after that selection commission should be there. But an IAS officer, the highest education anyone gets is going through the IAS examination. The civils, clearing civils itself is next to impossible. Out of 1 lakh or 2 lakh students, hardly 15 students pass out in the mains. Those who serve this nation, they salute these politicians, these dirty politicians. So our system itself is corrupted. Our system itself is wrong. So let's not go for it. You take half empty, half filled. You take half filled, you told me. But this is not empty, I feel. What is there inside this? Air. So life is like this. If you take half empty, you'll be crying all the time. If you take half filled, you'll be happy. Again, half filled is complete figure. So education is this kind of a system. Why I'm speaking of education? Because it is a school work. If one or the other person does not like education, doesn't mean the whole system is corrupted. No. There are great people, there are great officers, there are sincere people who have served this nation. There are many, many who are being killed in the name of sincerity, but they are being spoken. We never speak about bad people. We say, but about the great people, we say that let them survive for some more years and serve this nation. So we all want good people. But when we become good, then the nation will change. And you young minds, you have the highest ability to bring a change in this nation. How? By tweeting, to the great people who are ruling this country, you need to tweet them. Start tweeting them, giving your suggestions. What did you do? I am very happy when youngsters come to political field, educated people come to the political field, they understand the greater importance of ruling this nation. Education is very, very, very important. No criminal records. Any politicians having a criminal record should not be given a nomination ticket. If this system changes, our country is going to change. But when you go for education, the school board, we are speaking the means one singular school board. We are speaking about one child, that is the writer who does not like to go to school. What is his problem? What is William Blake's problem? Why he does not like formal education? So one person's experience, can you say the education system itself is wrong?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Just because of one person? Can you say? No.
No, ma'am.
It is a single opinion. You can never generalize anything. Maybe experience you can speak. If one movie you may like, some other people may not like. But doesn't mean that you are wrong. Your point of view, you liked it. Other person, he or she may not like it. So you cannot give a generalization for education also. Just because this student does not like education, our writer William Blake is telling about himself. He is against formal education. What is formal education?
It's education now.
A formal is where you go to school. If I tell you to bring a change in the formal education, what did you do? Are we giving a right way of education to the students? Aren't we taming them like cats and buffaloes who just follow the group? Should education not be based on knowledge? Why are we pressurizing children so much? Yes. Why should the child be pressurized to secure 100 out of 100? Does marks decide anyone's future?
No, ma'am.
Never. Education should be total education. Not only your writing, not only your mugging up things and giving knowledge and securing marks. No. Education is behavior. Education is social life. Education is self-reliant. Education is how you accept your failures, not your success. Skilled education we don't have in our country. You know why China is so much popular in producing so many things. For them from 8th standard, they give them compulsory skilled education. And if they don't want to study after SLC, they can go now. If a child is good in carpentry, he or she can go into carpentry, he'll get a degree there only. If I am good in tailoring or stitching, I can select tailoring as my profession and I can stop studying my degree, and there if I go in tailoring and get a degree there only. I will get my degree for my knowledge, for my talent. But our system of education is sometimes really very wrong, as many of you know. We are, like horses we have tied to children here. Now, what you studied in SLC, what you are going to study in second PUC, what you are going to do after your second PUC, when you go to job, this all will be a waste, only it will be a knowledge. It will not be a talent education, it will not be a it will not be an education which is being given to the skilled students. So many students, they go for MBA, then they go and work in a bank. What is the stupidity? They can take BCom, they can become, again they can go for commerce, they can take BCom, they can write banking exam and go. They do engineering, they do MBA, and then they go for banking. Isn't this system wrong? Isn't it totally wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
We are encouraging our children to do that which in future they are not going to use.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The education system should be one. Skilled education should be compulsory for the students from 5th standard. It may be music, art, dance, carpentry, any kind of skilled education. Those who cannot study after second PUC, there are thousands of students who commit suicide. If they were given skill education, they could take their life future there only. But we see only marks. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ 90ಗೆ 90 ಬಂತು, 100ಗೆ 100 ಬಂತು, ನನ್ನ ಮಗನಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವನೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಗ್ರೇಟ್, ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಗ್ರೇಟ್. Marks never decide anyone's character. Marks doesn't decide anyone's knowledge. Marks doesn't decide anyone's intelligence. Marks doesn't decide your social anyone. So educate your child to live in this society and accept the social things in our life. Living in society is very important. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೀವು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಹಲೋ ಅಂಟಿನೇ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. They don't even smile at you, even if they know you, they don't know. You go to their house, they get up, take their books and baggages or whatever mobile it is, and go off inside. Again, manners which is not being taught by the parents. Anyone comes to your house, the first concept is greetings. Hello. You know them or you don't know them. That is second. Hello, please, mummy. That doesn't mean Kalduna Kaririya. The mom's friend whom you don't know. Amma idarenappa? Please come. A smile. Hello, annadikenu. Will it cost you something? I have gone to so many houses. You go inside, they look at you. Yen beko? Amma idara? Amma, yaru bandira nodu? They go inside. So this you call it as rank holders. I give a thumbs down for this. So it's time up. I'll continue tomorrow with the school board. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Go at home.
Alright.